Hi, I'm Alfred. Let me show you a better way to manage your social media posts. With Meet Alfred's post feature, you can easily schedule and publish social media content to boost your reach and engagement with your audience. And the best part is, it's all done on autopilot. To get started, just click on Create New Post. Start off by entering a title for your post, then choose the platforms where you want to share your content and create the content. You can even include images or videos by clicking on the attachment icon. Oh, and don't forget to boost up your post with relevant hashtags. It really helps to enhance their performance. As you scroll down, you can decide whether you want your content to go live right away or schedule it for a specific time in the future. On the right-hand side, you'll see a preview of how your content will look across the multiple channels you've selected. Once you're happy with your post, simply click on Publish and you're all done. Meet Alfred will provide you with analytics on how your content performs so that you can track its success. The status column will let you know if it's live or scheduled for the future. You can also archive or delete posts and even click on the link icon to view the post on the actual platform it was posted on. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.